This is the 2019 BMW X3 M40i. No, it's not the ballistic X3M, but it's no pushover either. Here are 5 things you need to know about this hotter, but not hottest, X3. Compared to the base X3 30i model, the M40i gets standard M Sport design touches like more aggressive fascias, body-colored side sills, high-gloss roof rails, and double-spoke wheels. And then on the inside, it gets sport seats and an M steering wheel. For more muscle, a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder is installed under the hood, churning out 355 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque. And all that peak twist is available for a long time, between 1,520 and 4,800 RPMs. And all that power is transmitted to all 4 wheels through a fantastic ZF 8-speed automatic transmission that helps get the M40i to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Upping this 4,300-pound crossover's game is a rear bias all-wheel drive system, an adaptive M suspension, upgraded M Sport brakes with 4-piston front calipers, and big old 21-inch wheels. Frankly, this thing rips through corners with tons of grip and composure in sport mode, and then in comfort, steering lightens and suspension softens for acceptable ride comfort when buzzing around normally. On the tech front, a quick and intuitive iDrive 6 system takes care of infotainment with navigation, Harman Kardon audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, and is capable of running Apple CarPlay, but not Android Auto. Then for safety, it's equipped with forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. The 2019 BMW X3 M40i starts at $54,650. However, with a healthy list of optional safety and creature comfort equipment installed, this one here rings in at a little over $68,500. And that was 5 things you need to know about the 2019 BMW X3 M40i. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like it. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Roadshow's YouTube channel.